Ecovision Academy is back, and this time we are back with a research internship and publication program 2026. In this research internship and publication program, we will provide you research methodology training. We will show you how to conduct primary data and how to conduct field survey. On the basis of that particular data, also we will show you how to conduct data analysis using several statistical tools and softwares. How to write a research paper, how to prepare a research paper. We will guide you with the part of the presenting a research paper, and additionally we will also give you the opportunity to publish your research paper into a reputed journal. Certification will be provided to all of the participants in the internship program, and alongside that a stipend of rupees 2000 will be provided to each of the participants of the internship program. Now let me tell you how to be the part of this internship program. What is the selection process for being part of the internship program? So to be selected in the internship program, there are basically two rounds. One is online examination and another one is interview round. In the online examination, that will be held on 30th May 2026, and in the interview round, which will be held on 31st May 2026. If you want to be the part of this online examination and you want to clear the interview round as well, you have to register yourself. The link to register in this particular internship program is given below in the description. There is no registration fee required for this particular registration. So the link is given below. The online examination will be conducted on 30th May. After you register yourself in the given link, you will be added to the WhatsApp group, and after being added to that WhatsApp group, we will be sending the particular examination based details in that WhatsApp group. So do not waste your time and enroll yourself and register yourself in that particular registration link given below. And let me tell you about the opportunities. So there will be a 2000 rupees stipend to each of the eligible participants of our internship program, one research publication opportunity to each of the students who are part of our internship program, and alongside that we will also provide a certification to each of the students. So the registration link is given below. Don't waste your time and hurry up and fill the registration form.